In this procedure, we will replace a towable bi-rotational power unit on a hydraulic slide-out. The tools needed for this procedure are a floor jack, jack stands, a bucket, an electric drill, appropriate bits, half-inch socket, a ratchet, a half-inch wrench, and a 9/16 inch wrench. Our first step will be to lift and support the frame per manufacturer's recommendations. Do not work on an improperly supported unit, as this could result in permanent injury or death. The frame will need to be lifted high enough for the jacks to hang freely. With the frame supported, disconnect power from the battery. At the power unit, remove power and ground wires connecting to the solenoid. Next, remove the green extend wire and the yellow retract wire from the spade terminals on the solenoid. Be sure to place the bucket under the power unit, and then loosen the hoses and let them bleed into the bucket. When finished, you can remove the hoses from the pump. Remove the mounting screws attaching power unit mounting bracket to the mounting surface and remove the power unit. Install the mounting screws attaching the new power unit mounting bracket to the mounting surface. Next, connect the hoses to the pump. After that, install the green extend wire and the yellow retract wire on the spade terminals of the solenoid. Next, install the positive wire on the top center post. And then install the ground wires on the ground post. Next, reconnect power from the battery. Finally, we can remove the jack stands. This completes the procedure on replacing a towable bi-rotational power unit for a hydraulic slide-out.